Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a great time. So, today we have come up with another topic which is connected, which is a part of the neuron, where how we are going to study about the nerve impulse, how they follow the path from one part of the body from one part of the body to the other, and how they transmit the information from one part of the nerve to the another. So that is we are going to study about today, nerve impulse. So before we start, thank you so much for the support. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share and like. So let us start with the nerve impulse. So once we heard the name called as nerve impulse, the first thing which hit our mind is the transmitters, or the wave, or the electrical chemical changes that takes place in our body in the neuron. So nerve impulse is an electrochemical change that moves down along a neuron to the next neuron in the series. As you can see here, there is a flow chart where they have followed a path, how nerve impulse follows the following path from one neuron to the next neuron in a series manner. This is generated by the external stimulus that disturb the distribution of sodium and the potassium ions on the outer and the inner surface of the axon. So let us go details about the how they follow the path and how impulses are transmitted. As you can see, the stimulus receives the receptor neurons from the dendrites, and then this neuron receptors transfer to the dendrites of the sensory neurons, where it receives in the cell body of the sensor neurons in the nucleus and the axon of the sensory neuron, and from there it passes to the synapses. From this synapses it transfers to the another dendrites of the next neuron, which is connected to the first one, and from there to the another cell body of the next neuron. They follow each circle part in this way, and during this one, the transmission of nerve impulse involve two major events. First one is the electrical transmission through nerve fiber and chemical transmission of the synapses. Here the synapses where the chemical transmission takes place, and here is the electrical transmission where the receptor neurons are there. It means the nerve fiber. During this nerve impulse travel, an electric current pass through the axon. They conduct the axon of the wave in depolarization, followed by repolarization caused by the transport of sodium ions across the axon. So how this polarization and depolarization takes place in order to transmit the electrical current through axon. So that, as we studied about the depolarization and repolarization, here in the depolarization, the ion that rush into the axon and potassium ions move out increases in the sodium ions, and that makes the inside, as you can see here, and that makes inside of the membrane positively charged, and the outer surface becomes the negative charge, and this reversal of changes is the depolarization. Once the depolarization is over, it takes place to the repolarization, where as the wave of polarization pass through the membrane, immediately behind return back to its normal and become polarized again, and this process is called as the repolarization. During this time, the moment of depolarization move down the length of the axon like a wave in an ocean. So this helps to takes place the chemical transmission of impulse at the synapses. Here, as you can see here, the chemical transmission takes place at the synapses. Here at this, when an impulse nerve arrive at the synapses, it happens a chemical is being arrived called as the at the synapses. The chemical which is called as the acetylcholine is released. It is from the vesicle present in the present in the presynaptic membrane or the bulb, and it diffuses the synaptic cleft across the synaptic cleft and enters the ending of the dendrites, and this dendrites makes the initiation of a new wave of depolarization that travels through the dendrites into the cell body. From here it transfers to the cell body and then hence form an axon, and this place where the chemical transmission takes place. This acetylcholine not only in the present in the ending of axon secretes some of the chemicals, and that help in the direction of impulse always takes place from the axon of one neuron to the dendrites of the next neuron. So this is what about this synapses cleft, where we have studied about the nerve impulse, how this impulse takes the nerve from one transmission to the another part. How does it transmit the messages, where the communication takes place between from one neuron to the another neuron, from where the signal is passed to the brain and the spinal cord. In the next class where we are going to study in more details about the coordination system, how they have been divided into two form. There we are going to study about the central nervous system, about details of human brain and their function, and the spinal cord. So please wait for the next class, where we are going to study about the very interesting part like human brain, how our brain operates, and what are the signals which we receive, and how does we are going to respond towards that. All we are going to study in the next class, that is the human brain. Thank you, and hope you all have got the point. Please, if you have any doubt, leave your question in the comment box so that we can work out and clarify all your doubts. I hope you all are having a great time. Thank you so much.